Why is everyone suddenly talking about the DJI Neo 2? What makes this tiny flying machine the next big revolution in drones? Let's find out why the DJI Neo 2 is becoming one of the most hyped drones of the year. DJI has done it again. After dominating the drone market with the Mini, Mavic, and Air series, they've now unleashed something truly special. The DJI Neo 2, a drone that combines intelligence, portability, and power like never before. So why is the DJI Neo 2 so famous right now? Because it's not just a drone. It's a smart aerial assistant. It's lightweight, compact, and packed with next-level AI features, making it perfect for creators, vloggers, travelers, and even beginners who want cinematic footage without the complexity. Let's talk about what makes the DJI Neo 2 stand out. 4K HDR camera with ultra-smooth stabilization, advanced AI object tracking and obstacle avoidance, longer flight time up to 40 minutes on a single charge, extended range and strong connectivity for stable footage, weather-resistant body, yes, it can handle the wind, and new Smart Flight 3.0 tech that lets it follow you perfectly, hands-free. Whether you're shooting landscapes, cinematic travel videos, or sports content, the DJI Neo 2 delivers professional results straight out of the box. It's designed for everyone, from content creators to explorers, making high-quality aerial shots easier than ever before. The reason DJI Neo 2 is turning heads is simple. It bridges the gap between high-end performance and pocket-sized convenience. You can literally carry it in your hand, launch it in seconds, and get cinematic shots that used to need a massive drone setup. The Neo 2 was officially launched in China around October 30th, 2025. For Europe, Canada, Brazil, the launch date is around November 13, 2025. Pricing rumored. Initial includes base kit tilde $259 United States dollars, 239 euros, 209 pounds in some markets. Fly more combo with extra batteries / accessories tilde US $429, 399 euros, weighs around 151 grams, which helps avoid many registration and regulatory headaches in many countries. Easy to carry, travel-friendly, great for on-the-go creators and vloggers. Upgrades include a dual-axis gimbal versus previous single-axis, providing smoother footage especially during movement or turns. Shoots video in 4000 at 60 fps, allowing for high-quality content. The Neo 2 features omnidirectional obstacle sensing LiDAR forward, IR downward sensors that improve flight safety significantly. For beginners especially, this means less fear. As one reviewer put it, the perfect starter drone you won't crash. The Neo 2 features omnidirectional obstacle sensing LiDAR forward, IR downward sensors that improve flight safety significantly. For beginners especially, this means less fear. As one reviewer put it, the perfect starter drone you won't crash. For what you get: compact size plus 4K video plus, obstacle avoidance,